Presentation Hero Academy presents Always Record Your Presentations, lesson number 9 of the presentation delivery module. It is always a good idea to bring a camera and to record when you're on stage. What happens is one of two things. You either have a great recording and you upload it on YouTube, on Vimeo, you share it with the world, you share it on social media, and your message spreads beyond the room you were in. If you didn't do a great job, well, that's really not a problem. You can review your presentation and learn from what you did wrong. The gear you need to do the recording is already in your pocket. Every smartphone is a perfect video recorder. But if you want something dedicated, a used video camera, last year camera, is perfect. A cheap plastic tripod for Amazon will cost you less than $150. And whenever you want to step up to the next level, you don't need a super professional camera, you need a very, very good microphone. Decide if you need something that sticks on you like a lapel microphone or a camera microphone that is more professional, but in case, just invest in your audio gear. Get the cheapest HD camera that you can. So to summarize, get some gear and make it a habit to record your presentations.